Welcome! In this Excel tutorial, we will learn how to multiply numbers in Excel. Let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rob Gaffer, and my goal is to provide you with quick and easy tutorials that don't waste your time. Make sure to like and subscribe if my videos helped you. Here, we have two different columns, A and B. Each column contains different numbers. In the third column, we would like to use Excel to multiply numbers from columns A and D. There is a function in Excel for multiplication, but in today's tutorial, we will just learn the easiest way for multiplications. Let's start with the first cell and type an equal sign. Select the first number from column A and then type an asterisk by holding down the Shift key and pressing number 8 on your keyboard. An asterisk sign is used in Excel for multiplication purposes. After the asterisk, let's select the first number in column B that we want to multiply. Click Enter and you have the result. Click on the bottom right side of the cell and drag the formula for all cells that you want to multiply. As we change any numbers, you will see that Excel automatically updates the multiplication result too. Now you know how to multiply numbers in Excel. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and let me know in the comments what else you want to learn on my channel.